The young ones are becoming restless.
Fucking
I see
pumpkins?
them
I
looking
wasn't
to the
fucking
sky when a
pumpkins.
rare
I was
plane
kicking
passes
pumpkins.
overhead.
You know, like football.
Wistful. Wondering.
Actual football.
Longing. I know they are still deeply committed to the cause. But I also sense a change
Not
coming.
American hand egg.
An end to our way of
I am not a
life is on
hand
the
egger.
horizon. The most
I'm a
recent invaders
footballer.
are fading from memory. But as the technology
I'm a
of man
baller of
advances, more are bound to
Not a
find
hander
our
of
valley
eggs.
again. And we
I
are
do not
bound
handle
with the
eggs.
fate
I'm
of
not
this
an egg
place.
handler.
For better. Or worse.
Though if you pay me, I'm pretty sure I could handle somebody's eggs. I could handle the shit out of eggs. What do you want, chicken? Where are you showing me? Wise chicken, where do you go? I'm following you, chicken. Tell me. Tell me your secrets. What are your secrets? Are they in this bush? Chicken, come back. I want to know. I don't eat your kind. I only eat fish. I'm serious about that. Do not run from me, chicken. I only wish to know. I wish to know your secrets. Tell me. I myself am a potato. The great Lord Potato, in fact. I am the king of all potatoes. Come back, chicken. Come back. Catch chicken. I have a chicken! I have a chicken! I have collected a chicken! Where is the chicken pen? There is the chicken pen! I'm going to throw a chicken in the chicken pen! Where is it? Chicken! Here, chicken, chicken! Where's your pen, you bastard? I literally have no idea where this freaking thing is! Oh, there it is. Grenade out! No more grenades! You there! You chicken! You bastard, come back! I just want to know! I want to know your secrets! If I catch you, will you tell me? Like a leprechaun? Leprechaun chicken! Chicken! Ah! If I catch all these chickens, I want $1. So I can buy I don't know, maybe a chocolate bar from the vending machine. Chicken, come back! I want to catch you! Come back! Ah! Gotcha! You little bitch. I have got you! By the short and curlies! Well, actually, it's more like sharp and scalies, because you're a hen, aren't you? Which means that you've got... Oh no! I missed through! Chicken landed on its feet, I think. 2 more chickens! Chicken! Come back! Where are you? Chicken! Are you up here? Hello, chicken! Chicken! I am the great Lord Potato! Fear me! Yes, I am feared! You fear me, you stupid bird! The evolution has given you evolution has given you the finger! Otherwise you'd be able to fly, you little bitch! 1 more chicken to go! Chicken! Where are you? Rabbit! It's a rabbit! Give me rabbit! Rabbit, come here! Rabbit, can I catch you too? I want to catch you, rabbit! Excuse me. Rabbit! Chicken! It's the chicken! It's the chicken! Come here! Come here, you bastard! Ah, there we go!
Some help if that's what you're here for.
Screw you, quest giver! I want this chicken! I'm going to throw it somewhere! And get points that I can't use! There! Chicken! Challenge completed! Damn Skippy! I am the master of chickens! I am the master of chickens! I've got a chicken! I'm gonna throw it! Chicken thrower! That's me! Throwing chicken! This is the best part of this game! I don't care what you say about the climbing and the artifact finding and the shooting and shit! I like throwing chickens against walls! Yay! Chicken fling! Oh crap! It's free! No! Chicken, come back! No! No, come back! Ah! Ah! There you go! I got you, you bastard! Get back in there! Wait. Where are the other ones? No! No, 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 shit! Oh! No, 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 no! Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Oh, crap! I have to go catch the chickens again! No! I don't want to! Where are they? No! Damn it! Where did they go? You're colluding with them! You're colluding with your brethren to escape me, foul! Come back! Come back! I want to catch you! Catch you! Yeah, there we go! I have you. Now show me where your brothers are. You tell me, I will not eat you. Well, I won't eat you because I don't eat chicken. I will not let them eat you. Chicken? Chicken! There he is! Chicken, 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 chicken. Come back, come back, come back. Here we go! One chicken. 3-pointer! Totally landed upright. Why? Because fuck you, that's why. Chicken! 1! I have another arm, I can grab it! But I'm lazy! 3 points! Woo! Back! Come back! Come back, you little furry bastards! I mean, feathery bastards! Well, actually, you're not bastards at all! You're all women! You're all female birds! Makes you bitches then! You little bitches, give me back my chickens! Where's the rooster? I want to catch the rooster too! Can I catch the rooster? Rooster is actually sounds like a euphemism. I think, is that a euphemism? Can somebody check to see if that's a euphemism? Catch the rooster? I'm gonna catch the rooster. Is it a euphemism for masturbation or is it a euphemism for... No, I think it's a euphemism for masturbation. Probably is. Feels like it. Chicken! The last one! I've got you! I am king! I am king of chicken catching! Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Do you see this, natives? I'm catching your birds! Your fowls are my bitches! Yeah, buddy!